back to Daytime Live now. Naomi Cowan is going to perform for us, but first, before we get into the performance, tell us a little bit about what you've been up to, because we noticed that you've been traveling a little bit and stuff like that. So
sure.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, man. So I just did Dubwise in Trinidad, which is, becoming a global reggae movement. Dubwise started here in Jamaica by Protege, Yardcore, and Jason Panton. They have it in Miami, LA. So I was able to join Dre Island actually on stage.
Nice.
He called me up and I did my single Paradise Plum. It was an amazing vibe.
Paradise Plum?
Yes, that's my current single.
Hey, yo, don't worry about that. You know, long out of here.
Yeah, no, it's a sweetie.
Yeah, man.
It's a song it's about love, but we named it after that sweetie.
Oh, True Love Sweet.
True Love Sweet, and I think like Paradise Plums are a little bit sour at the same time, you know? So the song is really about, when somebody just sweet you, like you meet somebody and no matter what them say, it just sweet you. So it's to me, it paints a picture of what I hope that everybody can have one day.
Gotcha.
We all deserve that sweet love.
Yeah, for real. Tell us about the project though, like, how did it come about, and is it a part of like an album?
Yeah, man, sure. Yeah, so Paradise Plum was produced by Teflon Zinc Fence.
Mad.
And, he and I came together, we just listened to a bunch of rhythms, and this one was just it. And then I co-wrote the song with Sarah Couch, actually. Her mom, Susan Couch, rest in peace. She's a super talented. Yeah. And I believe in collaboration, especially in the young generation of musicians. So that song came out and then I just dropped a mixtape. Yeah, so not lots of singers don't really drop mixtapes, but I collaborated with a group in Miami called Word Sound Power. And we found a bunch of old reggae and dancehall rhythms like tempo, Far East, like all sorts of stuff, and we just did mashups over them. Some of it.
Red Rose performed tempo up here the other day too,
Who's that?
Red Rose
there
performed tempo.
Yeah. Really... So the Paradise Plum mixtape is just another way to promote the song. So it has 9 tracks. Reggaeville released it. It got featured on largeup.com's, mixtape Mondays, pick up the week and stuff like that. And people have been really digging it. So that's kind of what I'm focusing on now. And and I'll be doing Dubwise Miami in September. So I'm excited about that.
Also, the mixtape, the body of works, it has that dub feel to it.
Yes. Okay. It's man. When you listen to it, you hear like and you hear their drops and that kind of stuff. But I'm singing, and these rhythms are really heavy hitting too.
Yeah.
But I put that sweet vocals over it. Even Tony Rebel's daughter, her name is Daviana. She's a bad DJ. Everybody needs to look out for her. She and I did something together as well. Romain Virgo is actually on it.
Oh, wicked.
By the way, I think I would marry Romain Virgo if he wasn't dating somebody. Just for the game, for the sake of the game.
You see it?
I thought
the game
about
no more that I'm going like a pre-o.
No. No, listen. Hello. Okay, anyway, so he's on the mixtape as well. So I also had some other artists, bring some strength and love to that. And it's dope. And it's on SoundCloud. Once you Google it, Paradise Plum, Naomi Cowan, you'll find it.
Mad. And she's going to perform Paradise Plum right now. Check it out. The stage is yours.
Thank you.
Yes. You never put up a fight, no. Paradise Plum. You just know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not a sound. Silence, you, baby. You never put up a fight, no. Paradise Plum. You know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not a sound. Silence. We're spending time on the regular. We'll pass the days when you just call me from my cellular. If I'm the book, then you're the editor. Cause we always bringing out the best in us. He's not a rushing man. Even though you cuss me cause I stress you, I'm not noting man. He's just a trusting man. Doing life together, got each other, I'm not noting. You, baby, you never put up a fight, no. You just know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not a sound. Silent, you, baby. You never put up a fight, no. Paradise Plum. You know me like we knew we never had to say a word, not a sound. Silent. Remember when you did that check for me, and buy me sweetie down a halfway tree. You say Paradise Plum, who you are run from. I give you my love, boy. He's not a rushing man. Even though you cuss me cause I stress you, I'm not noting man. He's just a trusting man. Doing life together, got each other. Cause you, baby, you never put up a fight. paradise plum. You know me like we knew we never say a word, not a sound. Silence you. I don't wanna find no. I don't wanna find no. Hold me, baby. Silence. I'm telling you the truth. Got nothing left for proof. And if you leave it up to me, you know we'll make it. I've opened up to you. Oh boy, what can I do? I wanna know if you're true. Woo, 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 woo. You, baby, you never put up a fight, no. You know me like you never say a word, not a sound. Silence, you, baby, you never put up a fight, no. Just know me, Louis, say a word, not a sound. Silence. Paradise plum. You know me like we never say a word, not a sound. Silence, you, baby. You never put up a fight. Rock no? Paradise plum. That's how you would dance to this song? Not a sound. Silence, you, baby. You never put up a fight. No. You can gully creep.
Gully Creek?
Never put up a. You know gully creep.
That's why you dub and them song here. Dub, you know.
Yeah.
Dub, I just.
But he's calling Ellie's name and she wouldn't marry Ellie.
No,
but
not
just-
today. Maybe in a few years, you know, women we change, our minds change, everything.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you for
Naomi,
having
being
me.
here.
Appreciate it.
I was telling him the story behind the song.
Oh, the real story.
Well,
one
now,
you
we'll soon
got.
get to that. No. Not fit for airplay.